yourself apart to entertain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Would you use your water bill to try to stain like me?
Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. I promise a real breakfast is coming, but I had just got back from my run, as you might be able to tell, and I was starving. So I made a protein smoothie real quick with that vegan salted caramel protein I showed you. It's okay. I'm still looking for a really good vegan protein, but she'll do for now. I added a banana, some water, ice, and that was it. Super quick, simple, and I was surprised by how good it actually came out. Then I got to making this beautiful masterpiece. Now, if you've never had oatmeal in this form, you need to give it a try. Baked oatmeal is a game changer. I'll leave the source of the recipe in the description box so you guys can go check it out. She has so many to choose from. I've done her peach baked oatmeal, blueberry baked oatmeal, peanut butter banana, and now this one, which I feel like this one might be my favorite one. But I did add walnuts instead of raisins like the original recipe calls for, because I like having that crunch, you know what I'm saying? It was so good with the walnuts. I'm just not a big raisin gal, but you could totally do the walnuts, you know? I mean, raisins, whatever floats your boat. Both, maybe. Hey, why not? You want to put most of the apples into it, but leave like a fourth to sprinkle on top. And the result is perfection. The recipe says that this makes 6 servings, but I kill this in 4 days. It's filling, delicious, and super convenient. I just grab a slice in the morning, heat it up, and then add my favorite toppings. My typical go-to is usually PB Fit, which is powdered peanut butter. Does it taste as good as real peanut butter? No way, but it's got that peanut buttery taste, and it's decent. You know, it's low-cal, so gotta do what you gotta do. Trying to get those abs, baby. JK. Really. For lunch, all I wanted was a big bowl of potatoes, but I told myself you should probably try to get some veggies in there. So I did. I tried. I threw together 1 sweet potato, 3 carrots, half a red onion, 2 servings of those little baby potatoes, and then the last of the mushrooms that I had. I don't even know what seasonings I put on there. I'm pretty sure I did smoked paprika, sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then for the mushrooms I went with sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Trader Joe's vegan, I think it's called chickenless salt. I will show you right now. Yes, that one right there. I ended up using this same seasoning when I cooked dinner later too. Now you can definitely add way more veggies than I did, so it feeds you for a few days, but I just split it into 2 servings. I was hesitant about adding corn, but it ended up working out, and I didn't have much of a topping, so I went with lime juice. Might sound funky, but my fridge is bare, and this was good. This meal right here, let me tell you, this was my 3rd time making it, and I think I might just be a pro at it now. This last time was incredible. It was creamy, it was packed with flavor. No, I'm just kidding. But it was just really good. And even if you're not vegan, you should definitely try it. The meat eater in this household loves when I make this rice, and he'll usually just have like fish or something on the side. Again, I'll leave the source of the recipe in the description box. I tweaked it just a tad because, like I said, my fridge is bare. You're supposed to use celery, but I haven't used celery any of the times that I make it because I don't like celery like that. And I didn't have as much onion, but came out fine. And I didn't have minced garlic, so I just used garlic powder. Even with those minor adjustments, it was amazing. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. We'll be making all the time. You need to try it. And there's really not that much effort involved. You just cut a few things up, cook your chickpeas, throw it in this dish, and then make that liquid and pour that boiling liquid on top. You mix it all together, throw that baby in the oven, and then you have 4 servings of fire.
Whoa. Hello.
I turned the heat up because I was waiting forever and I wanted it to hurry up, and then it overflowed and it scarred me. So watch your liquid, but once it's boiling, then you pour it over on top. I finished this container of blueberries while I was waiting for dinner to finish. And then, look, there she is. Gorgeous. Love her.